If you're ever in an old house and you see a light fixture like this, now it looks innocent enough like any old light fixture, but the problem you got to figure out if you want to replace it is how do you get that apart? Well, after some surprises, I found out that this just screws apart. However, there's some inherent danger into the design. So before you work on one of these, make sure you have the power off. Now in this case, I do have the power off, and I'll show you why. This is a very dangerous fixture. When you grab it from this ribbed portion here, and you just give it a little turn, and it comes out. And then the contacts for it are inside this little fixture, or this twisty part, which makes it really handy. If you need to take a light fixture down, repair some things, you can just take it, put it back up here, twist it over, it's back together, works just fine. What's dangerous about it is, you'll notice these two screw holes or bolt positions here, they're not actually screws, they're just rivet points. The rivet points that connect the live AC connectors here, and they're bare copper on this side. So if you happen to be working close to one of these barehanded, the lights are on, or the lights are off and the power is on, you don't realize it, and you happen to touch these individually, not a problem. As long as you're not grounded to anything, you'll be insulated. But if you happen to touch both of them at the same time, while it's connected, while there's power, there's a pretty good chance you're going to get a really bad shock out of it. So remember this fixture, and if you can, replace them with something more modern that's up to code, because this is definitely not something you want in your house. Historical restorations, you may want this in your house. I would suggest doing something, taking this apart, modifying it so that the internal connections don't leak out to the front. I mean, even taking this particular piece here and getting somebody to recast it so that those portions don't stick out, it'll be just fine. As you put white paint on there, nobody's gonna even notice. So, take heed, be safe.